Want to unleash Garry's mod chaos on your iPad? I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 90 seconds. First, forget directly downloading Garry's mod from the App Store. It's not natively available. We'll need a workaround involving cloud gaming. Download a cloud gaming service. GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming are two popular options that work on iPads. For this tutorial, I'm using GeForce Now. Open the GeForce Now app and search for Steam. Launch Steam through GeForce Now. This essentially streams a virtual PC to your iPad. Log into your Steam account. Make sure it's the same account where you own Garry's mod. Once you're logged in, find Garry's mod in your Steam library. Click the play button. GeForce Now will handle launching the game. It will take a couple of seconds. And now you're playing Garry's mod on your iPad. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Use the on-screen controls or connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for a more peak-like experience. Experiment and enjoy the limitless possibilities of Garry's mod on your iPad.